Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are doing strawberry panna cotta. It comes in 2 easy steps: preparing the cream and the topping or sauce. Check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. In a bowl, add tap water, and powdered gelatin. Stir and leave it for 10 minutes so that it swells. In a pan, add heavy cream. You will warm it on medium to low heat. After 2 minutes of heating the cream, gradually add sugar and stir in between. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Then add vanilla extract and stir. Once the cream starts to bubble, switch off the heat and remove the pan from the stove. Then add your gelatin and stir until it dissolves entirely. Cool it a little bit, then add it on your serving glasses. You put just enough, a little, because the cream is too rich. That is why it's served in smaller portions. Then set it in the fridge for 4 hours. Covered with a cling wrap. Please subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Let's prepare the topping. Chop strawberries into squares or smaller pieces. Put them in a pan. And please leave a comment below and let me know which flavor of panna cotta you like. On the strawberries, add sugar and stir. We are cooking the strawberries on medium to low heat. Add lemon juice or water. Stir. Let the strawberries simmer for 5 minutes. Once they are cooked, put them through a sieve and press with a spoon to push the liquids out. Cover the jar or the container with a cling wrap and set it in the fridge until the cream is ready. When you're inverting the glass, the cream shouldn't spill. It's ready and set then. Stir the coulis, then add it on top of the cream. Just a little is too much. garnish and serve. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.